What's going on? In this episode, we are replacing a blower motor on a Nissan Sentra out here in Las Colinas. All right, Nissan Sentra, blower motor replacement. First thing you got to do is know where it is. It's not actually on that side. It's on this side right here. You'll have to remove the brake pedal, the connectors that go to it, the brake switch. You have to remove a blend door actuator, this body panel. Before we move those things out the way, go forward from there. 13 millimeter right there, 13 right there, electrical connector right there, brake switch right here. All right, got the brake pedal and accelerator pedal assembly out. What I also had to do was remove this box right here. I had 2 Phillips screwdrivers, and the best way I got it out was just laying down like that and just hanging underneath the seat and tackling that one. All right, now the last thing we got to remove is this box right here. It must be a body control module, and then the blow motor is right behind it. All right, we got it out. This is the brake switch. When you hit the brake, the button comes out and it lets the lights illuminate. When you let off the brake, presses it, turns the lights off. All right, moment of truth. Get everything put back together. Didn't take too long. I'm getting results already. I love it. All right, look at this dirty air filter. This was never changed at all. That's not something this customer has to worry about anymore. Time for me to replace this shirt. It's hot as fuck.